Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of placing an order on Shopify Store. Before starting with this tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to my channel Coded, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, please press the bell icon to get all the notifications related to our new video. So without wasting much time, let's start. Friends, for most of the Shopify website, the process of placing order is going to be same, as only the look and feel will be different for the product page and collection page. Other than that, the structure of the website will be same, like the checkout page, confirmation page. This will be same for all the Shopify websites. Now, let me add some products in cart. So I have these two products. So let me add these two products in the cart. So I'll say add to cart. So it has been added successfully. Now I'll add this product also. I'll say quantity as 2. Now if you see the products have been added to cart. Now I'll say checkout. So guys, if you see this particular checkout page which is shown on Shopify store will be same for all the Shopify stores. Now let me enter the information like the email address, then I'll click on continue to shipping. Then I'll select the shipping method like a local delivery or standard delivery. This is totally dependent on the settings that you have configured in your Shopify store settings under shipping. Click on continue to payment. Then you are going to get the payment option whether you have set up cash on delivery or a online transaction, that is a payment gateway. So currently if you see I have enabled a fake payment gateway. So using this fake payment gateway I am going to make the transaction. You guys can also set up this fake payment gateway inside the Shopify store. The gateway name is Bogus Gateway. I'll add the card number as 1. 1 means successful transaction. Then I'll add name on the card as Bogus Gateway. Then enter the expiry date followed by the security code as 111. Then I'll click on Pay Now. You guys can see that the order has been placed successfully. Since I have done the online payment, we can see that the status is shown as confirmed. Now let me show you the order in the Shopify backend. Let's click on orders. Then if you see the order which I have placed is 1002. So I'll click on it. So whatever products that I have added are shown over here along with the amount, customer's name and the shipping address are also shown. I can also see the payment gateway details. Like if I click over here, then I can see that it has been placed using the bogus payment gateway. I can see the bogus gateway name on the card, then authorization key, then the message, also the amount. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to place an order on Shopify. So guys, that's all in this video. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.